Hey guys, welcome to Eek to Chic number 8. We're revamping an inexpensive acorn candle jar from Aldi's and adding something special to the wax to elevate this candle even more. Let me show you what to do. Like I mentioned, this candle is from Aldi's and it comes in 3 different scents: blood orange and palo santo, wild fern and birch, and vanilla and patchouli. Just so you know that shopsweetlulu.com has an almost identical candle for $28, and other online stores have similar for 4 to 5 times the amount. So you're already winning by purchasing this at Aldi's. These are the 2 that I brought home, and as you can see that the lids are very shiny, and I wanted to tone that down and change it to a more neutral color. At the dollar store, I picked up this chalkboard paint for $1.25. The brand is Craft Wise, made in the USA, and it will dry to a matte finish. Yeah, so here I was experimenting with the second acorn by adding some white, and I just didn't like it, so I went to all black instead. While the paint is drying, melt the first layer of the wax from your candle. We're going to be adding some anise to the top and let it harden back up, giving this candle a little bit of visual interest. I want you to see how absolutely gorgeous this turned out with just a couple of changes for very little money. Use the acorn container over and over again with your own wax through the holiday season. I like to use soy wax whenever possible, and you can pick that up on Amazon as well as the wicks. I will leave a link below for your convenience in the show notes. I have more revamp videos for you to watch. They are short and simple DIYs. I will link those at the top here. Please like and share with all your coastal friends. See you next time.